In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money on Cash App with $0. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I begin this video and I start talking about some methods that you might want to consider to start making money on Cash App, I want to make something extremely clear. There is no guaranteed way to make money on Cash App with absolutely no dollars to start. This is because Cash App itself does not offer features that generate money out of thin air. So in this video, I'm gonna go over plenty of things that you can consider, don't worry, and these will help you get you on your feet. But you have to be aware that there is no way to simply get money out of nowhere on Cash App. So the first thing to consider are referral bonuses. While Cash App offers referral bonuses for inviting friends, it requires you to have a valid referral code and convince someone to sign up and make a transaction using your code. This is going to require some initial effort, and it really isn't an easy to do method. You will have to get people to sign up and use their own personal contact information, but if they are willing to do so, the referral bonuses can give you a small boost. Now, you have some legitimate ways to potentially get some money on Cash App. They will likely require some upfront effort or some connections or resources. First, you have freelancing services. If you have a specific skill like writing, editing, or graphic design, you could offer your services on freelance marketplaces and potentially receive payments through Cash App. This requires having a marketable skill and the ability to find clients. Keep in mind that doing this online can be risky because there is no exact guarantee that you will be paid, so it's best done with close people, friends, and family. You can look for odd jobs, so opportunities to do small tasks like running errands, pet sitting, or house cleaning. Advertise your services online or ask around in your community, and again, this will require some effort. The last thing to do is to sell items online. Unfortunately, I cannot give you any more specific tips regarding Cash App. Like I said, because they don't offer any program for you to make money out of thin air, you will have to do something else besides just using Cash App to actually make money. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about potential ways in which you will be able to get up on your feet and make some money using Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money on Cash App with $0. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.